Hey everyone, it's Amber from MicroArtistry, and I'm super excited today because I'm here to introduce you to our brand new collab with Bronsun. Some of you may know that we are the official US distributor for Mayamy and Bronsun products in the United States and Canada. And we've been retailing Mayamy and Bronsun since 2019. So we have decided to collaborate with them to bring you this amazing tint trio. It's my favorite 3 colors for brows. And so this is actually going to be in your brow lamination kit if you guys take our class. We're going to be having a new class also that's just for Mayamy products, Mayamy brow perm, and this is going to be in that kit as well. So that's going to be out probably by next week, hopefully. So we have the Amber's Brow Tint Trio, and it comes in this box. And when you open it, it has a little love note for me, and then it has my 3 favorite brow colors. So we've got number 5, which is just light brown, number 6, brown, and number 7, dark brown. So when you see me reference these, like on my Instagram, I'll just say, oh, Bronsun tint number 5, Bronsun tint number 6. Some people say Bronsun tint light brown or dark brown or whatever. All of these are intermixable, so you can use these with each other and with the entire Bronsun line, which we also retail at microartistryacademy.com. Any of those colors go together. So it comes with this little instruction sheet and 2 of the small milk cream developers. These are 7 milliliters. And the reason why we only have 2 milk cream developers is because we usually do like a 2-to-1 tint to developer ratio for best results. So I am super excited, and I just wanted to show you guys our new product. We have limited quantities for the month of May. We're gonna have another restock in June. So if you guys are interested in this, grab it while it's on the store. $37.99. Okay guys, so just wanted to introduce it and say thanks so much for shopping at MicroArtistry Academy, and I will talk to you guys soon.